Today we're going to be looking at short answer questions. For this question type, you'll have to answer questions about factual information in a text. Generally, for these types of questions, you'll read texts that are heavy with facts, that are more academically oriented. Short answer questions are easy to identify because they always have the instruction no more than 3 words and/or a number. Be careful when you answer these questions. Do not use more than the number of words specified or you will be marked wrong. But what constitutes a word and what is tested? Well, almost everything, in fact. This includes prepositions like on or under, articles like a or the. Even numbers like 1 or 10 or 100 are considered words. Where you want to be careful is in regards to hyphenated words and contractions. Hyphenated words, like counterproductive, where 2 words are joined with a hyphen, are considered a single word. Contractions, however, where 2 words are compressed together, like can't or won't, will not be tested. It is very important to note that the answers that you will use come directly from the text itself. You have to spell the words exactly as they are written in the text. Any change results in an incorrect answer. And one last point before we practice, the questions come in the order of the text, so you won't have to search back and forth. You'll generally know where to find the answer as you do the questions. The polar bear, Ursus maritimus, is a bear native largely within the Arctic Circle. It is the world's largest land carnivore and also the largest bear. An adult male weighs around 350 to 680 kilograms, while an adult female is about half that size. Question 1. Where do polar bears live? Can you find the answer? Very good. On your answer sheet, you would write the Arctic Circle, but be sure to put in the capital letters exactly as they appear on the text. In the case of an answer like this, 2 answers might be accepted: the Arctic Circle or just Arctic Circle. Question 2. Polar bears are the largest what? Can you find the answer? Very good. For number 2, you would write land carnivore. Question 3. If male polar bears can weigh up to 680 kilograms, up to how much can female polar bears weigh? Can you find the answer? Very good. For number 3, you would write half that size.